Over here we have our illumination system. It comes in a package like this. It's really well designed, the packaging, and you can expect no damage during the shipment. And this is inside another box, so it comes with two small boxes that I'm taking out from the box. So we put that polystyrene foam inside the box, and this is the light source. And the illumination system here, if you look at it, it is a cold light fiber optic, and it comes with a dual pipe fiber optic. We can connect to this power source in a second, and you can see. So it is protected. You simply remove this one, attach right here, tighten it. Let's give it like this. You plug that power. We can turn on the light. This is a 10-watt LED. It can be a different color, cool white, warm white, at any different temperature you want. And also it comes with two coupler attachment at edge of each fiber optic. So you can remove this, but obviously it won't be collimated. But then when you use this collimation tube here, you can see what happens to the bright spot. And then once you have this, you can adjust the light and for each of the pipe, and you bring it to the location you like to illuminate. So this will be very easy use of this illumination system.